Hello friends, I am here again with a very interesting activity, that is AI Object Seeker. In this activity, we will write a code that will perform object detection. The object detection will be performed on an image that we upload on the PictoBlox stage as a backdrop. This is the image on which we will see or we will detect the object. So first we will take a square box. The sprite object square box is already initiated by default. Now let us import the time library. Import time. After that, let us now also initiate the object detection object and pen object. Now we will use pen.clear to clear any pen markings from the previous sections. Pen.clear. We will set the threshold of object detection equal to 0.5. This is the level of confidence, that is 50% we want to keep for detecting the object. We will also add the following two functions from the object detection class. One is analyze stage and second is object.disable box. Now we want to detect all the objects in the image one by one and put the square sprite on them. For this, we will iterate through all the objects using the for loop. We will use the following functions for this. First, we will use an inbuilt function known as to be the range to loop through all the objects. For I in range 1, object.count plus 1. After that, let's set the x position, y position and width of the square box according to each object. We will use the following function for the task. First, sprite.setX, that is set the x position for the sprite, that is the square box. Next, object.xi, get the x position of the object I 1 to object up to the count. After that, sprite.setY, set the y position of the sprite, that is square box. Next, object.yi, get the y position of the object I. Now sprite.setSize, set the size of the sprite, that is square box. And the last, object width I, get the width of an object I. Next, we will also make the square box sprite say the class of the respective object that it detects. Sprite.say object.class name I. We will also use the stamp function from the pen class to stamp a square box on each object that is detected. So pen.stamp. Finally, we will add a sleep function from the time extension to have some time between the detection of each object. So time.sleep, in the bracket we have to write 2. So now let's try. We will run the program and let's see. Yes, the object is detecting bicycle, after that person and indicating with car. So we have finished our program. Now it's time for you to do it. Have a nice day. Bye bye.